We all knew that Batman Arkham Knight has been in a sorry state on PC since day one. That's been largely evident through the mostly negative user rating the game is sporting on Steam. Now, Warner Bros. Have decided to suspend all PC sales until the game is fixed. Warner Bros. Have opted to cease future sales of Arkham Knight on PC until the game is fixed. A statement has been posted to the official forums apologizing for the game's performance issues, adding, quote, "We take these issues very seriously and have therefore decided to suspend future game sales of the PC version, while we work to address these issues to satisfy our quality standards." Warner Bros. Have encouraged gamers to continue providing feedback of their experiences and issues. The publisher have also signposted where gamers can request a refund on Steam should they desire one. Let me know down in the comments if you think this is the right move by Warner Bros. Or not, and why. We'll be keeping you updated as this one develops, so be sure to stay tuned to GameSpot.